Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, and hello Mr. Bambang. Okay, today I will present my analysis of a drama titled Cremator by Janet DeFar. The first slide is introduction. The drama is titled Cremator, written by Janet DeFar and published in 2006. The setting is in a police station waiting room. The story focuses on Marge, a 66-year-old white woman, and Russell, a 21-year-old black man. The drama begins when Russell finds Marge's lost wallet and wants to return it. However, these simple acts lead to a serious conversation about prejudice and misunderstanding between them. I choose this drama because it raises important social issues such as racial prejudice and discrimination. Even though the story is short, the message is very powerful and still relevant today. And the next slide is plot structure. The plot followed the 5 main stages. The first is exposition. Marge is sitting in the waiting room working on a crossword puzzle. Then Russell entered the room, which started the tension. And next is rising action. When Russell enters, Marge moves her back, showing her fear. Russell immediately notices and says, "I saw that. When I walk in, you move your purse." Marge responds, she says, "I don't know you." This starts an argument between them. And the next is climax. Russell expresses his feelings about being discriminated against. He says, "But when I walked in, you did know I was coming to see my federal officer. You just saw me and assumed I was a criminal." And Marge replies. She says, I followed my instincts." And the next is following action. Russell returned Marge's wallet, proving that her prejudice was wrong. Russell says, "I didn't take any of it. I just found it like that." Then Marge starts to soften and even show Russell a picture of her granddaughter. She says, "Come here, this is my granddaughter. This is Sayla." And the last is resolution. Marge leaves but forgot her purse again, and Russell catches after her and returns it. And he says, "Purse." This shows Russell continued kindness despite how Marge treated him earlier. And the next slide is conflict. There are 2 types of conflict in this drama. There is internal conflict and external conflict. Internal conflict include Marge's internal conflict. She struggled between her prejudice and her guilt. At first, she first Russell just because he is black, but after Russell returned her wallet, she feels guilty for her wrong assumption. The evidence is, Marge say, "I followed my instincts. When the fight or flight kicks in, you should listen to that." But at the end, she thanks Russell and shows him her family photo. And then Russell's internal conflict. At first, he feels anger and disappointment at being judged unfairly, but he also feels a sense of kindness and responsibility, choosing to return the wallet anyway. The evidence is, Russell says, I didn't take any of it, just found it like that. And next, external conflict. The main external conflict is racial prejudice. The evidence is, Marge say, I followed my instincts, and Russell respond, you assume I was a criminal? And another example of external conflict is discrimination. When Marge says to Russell, clean yourself up a little. This dialogue clearly shows the prejudice Russell faces. And next slide is characters. Character Marge prejudice. She judged Russell based on race. The evidence is, I followed my instincts. And then she is defensive. When Russell confront her, she responds defensively and refuses to admit her prejudice. But she guilty and regretful. After Russell returned her wallet, she felt guilty for misjudging him. And character Russell. He is honest. Because he finds the wallet and return it. The evidence is, I did not take any of it. I just found it like that. And then he emotionally strong. Even though he faced discrimination, he stayed calm and chose to do the right thing. And the last, he is responsible. He makes the effort to come to the police station just to return the wallet. Okay, the next slide is theme. The main theme in this drama are racial prejudice. This drama shows how people make assumptions based on race. Evident from Russell's dialogue. I assume things about you just like you assume things about me when I walk through the door. And then discrimination. Evident for Russell questioning to Margie. He say, why did you assume that I was a criminal? Was it because of this? While pointing to his skin color. The theme teach us how racial prejudice affect everyday interaction, even in small moments like sitting in a waiting room or moving a purse. And the next slide is main issue. The main issue of gray matter is racial prejudice in daily life. The drama highlights how small action and assumption can reveal deep biases. Through the characters' dialogue, the audience is invited to reflect on how they treat others based on race or appearance. The evidence is the first moving scene where Russell say, you think I am gonna steal your purse? And the moment when Russell say, you can count it if you want. I did not take nothing. This drama encourage us to confront our own prejudice and choose kindness. Okay, the last slide is conclusion.